Damien here from LeakDtech. Just wanted to talk about residential high bills. We try and work with all of our residential customers, community associations, to help associate the problems on a site with the source of a high water bill. In villas or apartments, in all cases, the best way for you to isolate the reason for a high water bill is to switch things off. Simple approach: go to your DWA meter and then follow the pipe back with the help of your maintenance guy on site, and just switch things off for an hour and see if the meter stops running. If you isolate it this way, once the meter stops running, you've found the source of the high usage. It's a very simple approach using what you have at home, and you don't need to call any engineering specialist to deal with this. This is our way of approaching all problems in residential properties, but we are still here to help you if you need some support or advice. You understand what you need to switch off. You want to take a look at the tanks in and around your property. That would include the water tank for the villa. That would include the tank for the swimming pool, the tank for irrigation. All of these tanks autofill in normal properties. So you might want to take a look at the float valve and see if it's stuck open or you can hear a noise. Take the lid off and have a look. Please be careful, don't go in the tank. But these are the areas that you should be looking at to see if you have a reason for the high bill. So just taking a look at these tanks, switching off the supply valve to these tanks to see if your water bill or your utility meter stops running would be the ability for you to identify where the leak source is and then get maintenance to fix it. Any other downstream usage can be tested, and that should be enough information for you to get to the bottom of your high water bill. My name's Damien from LeakDtech Dubai. We'll look forward to helping you. Give us a call anytime. Thanks. Bye-bye.